576i means there are 576 lines displayed vertically on the screen. This number shows how many horizontal rows of pixels make up the picture's height. The I in 576i stands for interlaced scanning. It means the image is shown in two halves, called fields. First, the even lines are displayed, then the odd lines, alternating quickly to create a full frame. The usual horizontal resolution is 720 pixels, so the full resolution is 720 by 576 pixels. 576i is a standard definition TV, SDTV, format, mainly used in countries that adopted the PAL or SECAM broadcast systems. These include many places in Europe, Asia, Australia, and parts of Central America. The frame rate is 25 frames per second, but because the video is interlaced, it actually displays 50 fields per second. This matches the 50 Hz power supply frequency common in those regions. The pixel aspect ratio, or the shape of each pixel, can vary depending on the screen. Videos in 576i often appear in either a 4:3 or 16:9 aspect ratio. Sometimes the pixels are stretched to fit the screen properly and maintain the correct image shape. Compared to newer formats like HD, 576i has lower detail and sharpness, but it is still widely used for TV broadcasts, DVDs, and older video content. This format digitizes old analog signals into digital video with similar quality. It remains a standard for many SD broadcasts outside North America.